Fliki is an AI-powered text-to-video and text-to-speech tool designed for efficient content creation. Key features and advantages include Lifelike Voices. Over 900 voices in 75 languages and dialects for realistic voiceovers, visual and audio resources, millions of images, video clips, and background music options, branded subtitles, customizable colors and fonts for subtitles trusted by top companies, used by 150,000 plus content creators from renowned organizations use cases for Flickycater to various content creators, marketing professionals seeking to create engaging video content, educators looking to develop instructional materials with lifelike voices, businesses aiming to enhance their brand presence with visually appealing videos. Overall, Fliki offers a free and user-friendly solution for content creation, with the option to upgrade as users scale. Content creators and influencers looking to repurpose their YouTube videos for short-form video platforms and increase their audience reach. Brands and marketers seeking to leverage short-form video platforms for their marketing campaigns without investing additional time and resources. Individuals who want to explore short-form video platforms and engage with new audiences by repurposing existing YouTube content. Clap offers a convenient and time-saving solution for creating short-form videos from YouTube content.